In the fields where time bends and space entwines, quantum Jesus walks, divine in design. Both particle and wave, seen and unseen, balancing the cosmos with love supreme. His harmony whispers, all things align, doubt and faith both held in time. Equilibrium reigns in his steady hand, uniting heaven and earth in a single strand. Through the cracks of doubt, his light breaks through, reinforcing the faith that makes all things new. Each action echoes, a feedback of grace, a quantum response to the struggles we face. When fear's entangled in our weary hearts, he unties the knots, mending our parts. His presence reflects what we dare to believe, a mirror of hope we can always retrieve. From the void, his love set creation alight, a causal force weaving wrong into right. His cross, a singularity in time's grand thread, rippling through ages, raising the dead. Yet in every moment reversal's decree, undoing despair to set us free. He rewinds the pain, redeems our scars, revealing the beauty of who we are. Beyond the straight paths where we toil and stray, quantum Jesus works in non-linear ways. Through tangents and twists, he guides our sight, turning chaos to meaning, darkness to light. And as we reflect on our fractured years, he shows the patterns beneath the tears. Past struggles converge into purpose profound. In the tapestry woven, all things are found. All are entangled in his sacred embrace. No boundary can sever the bonds of grace. Like particles dancing in quantum accord, we are one body, one love, one Lord. But sin and division he casts away, excluding the shadows that lead us astray. Through exclusion's pruning, inclusion is born, a garden of unity, freed from the thorn. In his duality, truth is revealed, wave and particle, divine concealed. Conjoined are heaven and earth through his name. In every heart, he sparks the flame. Yet through bottlenecked paths of trial and despair, his light bursts forth with answers rare. Through narrow straits, his grace will flow. From constraints, a universe of hope will grow. Oh, harmonies quantum Jesus weaves. From chaos and discord, love achieves. He turns dissonance into a holy refrain, a melody sung through joy and pain. Each clash of forces, each broken sound, becomes the place where hope is found. For in his hands, the fractured tune resolves in peace beneath the moon. From diverging paths, he gathers the whole, every wandering heart, every fractured soul. Quantum Jesus converges the many streams, uniting creation with love's grand theme. Yet in divergence he finds his art, working in fragments to heal the heart. For every division he tenderly mends, each beginning bends toward his ends. Opposites meet in his radiant glow, life and death, above and below. Quantum Jesus combines what seems torn from paradox. Truth is always born, but where division sows despair, his hands bring healing, his voice a prayer. He mends the fractures, restores the line, making the broken eternally shine. He entangles all in his quantum embrace, connecting the cosmos with infinite grace. Every soul, a thread in the web he spins, where love associates and life begins. Yet from the chains of despair, we are freed, disassociated from fear and greed. Quantum Jesus untangles the strands and leads us gently to promised lands. In his presence, all mysteries combine, finite and infinite, human and divine. Quantum Jesus integrates all we've known, a universe of love, His heart alone. And where disintegration threatens our way, He binds the fragments, makes night into day. For coherence persists in His radiant might, keeping the cosmos in perfect light. O Quantum Jesus, entangler of souls, who balances chaos and makes us whole, through timelines and trials, your love is the thread. We walk in your light, by your grace we are led. In the superposition of all that we see, you are the constant, our divinity. Collapse our doubt, let your love arise. Quantum Jesus, eternal and wise.